Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this video quickly show you technical question as well as possible answer. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, simply ask me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you and let's move to the question. Hello friends, question is how do I include a JavaScript file in other JavaScript file? I will show you step by step guide to do this. So I hope you enjoy this and without any delay, let's start. So friends, in this way you import JavaScript file from another JavaScript file. So if you have any query related to this question, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.